Let's take a look at Pakistan versus Deep State, Pakistan versus economic hitman. These guys, they tried every trick to destabilize, denuclearize, and demolish the country. They have used loan traps, corrupt deals, fake growth numbers. They bought our leaders, they hijacked our economy and pushed us to the edge of default. And then they told us, you know what? Sell your assets, ditch your nukes, obey the IMF. Oh, collapse. When everything failed, now came war provocation. They pushed India to wage war against us. But did Pakistan break? No, it didn't. It fired back. Pakistan's military shocked the world. It regained global respect and proved that this nation isn't held together by dollars or dictators. It is held by an idea. La ilaha illallah. Pakistan is not just running on rupees and dollars. It's running on faith. It's running on resilience. It's running on La ilaha illallah. Let me tell you what Qadeer Azam founding fathers said. Pakistan has come to stay. It hasn't come to pass. There is no power on earth that can undo Pakistan.